Hello everyone, welcome to my submission for Lab 1 of the CS7GV3 Real-Time Rendering course. My name is Nkem, and in this video, I'll be demonstrating and explaining the 3 reflectance models I implemented for this lab using OpenGL and GLSL shaders. I'll start by introducing Kolobok, a Russian round bread ghost that I'll be using to show the differences in 3 reflectance models: Phong shading, Toon shading, and Oren Nayar shading. At the top of our page, we can see a control panel where we can interactively adjust parameters related to each model to see their effects in real time. Now, let's give our models some space and focus on the left here where we have our model using Phong shading. Phong shading computes lighting per pixel by combining ambient, diffuse, and specular components. This produces smooth lighting across the surface and allows for specular highlights, which help convey shininess. By adjusting the shininess and specular coefficient, we can control how sharp and how strong the specular highlights appear. As these values increase, the material takes on a more polished and glossy appearance, similar to porcelain or plastic. Next, we have Toon shading, which is a non-photorealistic reflectance technique. Instead of smoothly varying lighting, Toon shading divides light's intensity into distinct bands, giving the model a more cartoon-like appearance. For this implementation, I included a uniform that allows us to control the number of shading bands. With fewer bands, the effect is more stylized, and as we increase the number of bands, the shading becomes smoother, while still maintaining the cartoon aesthetic. Finally, our last reflectance technique uses the Oren Nayar reflectance model. Oren Nayar is a photorealistic diffuse model that accounts for surface roughness, making materials appear less shiny and more matte. Here, we can adjust the roughness parameter, and as the roughness increases, the surface reflects light more diffusely, causing the model to resemble materials like stone or concrete. Now, looking at our models side by side, we can see that Phong shading produces smooth lighting and specular highlights. Toon shading provides a stylized, non-photorealistic look, and Oren Nayar offers a more realistic, matte appearance for rough surfaces. We can also observe how each reflectance model responds differently to changes in light color and object color, further highlighting their visual differences. Thank you for watching. That concludes my demonstration of the reflectance models implemented for Lab 1.